Matt Moore over at Easy Auto Spa. And one of the questions we get asked a lot is, can I ceramic coat and paint correct something that's not a traditional vehicle? And the answer is yes. We can ceramic coat motorcycles, we can ceramic coat watercraft, boats, and even RVs and campers. Even things like this. This Polaris Slingshot is a really unique ride, but this customer does not want to drive this, can't drive this through a traditional car wash. They're going to hand wash this vehicle the entire time they own it. And as a result, we want to put a coating on there that's going to make it easier to clean. It's going to make it look newer longer. The paint correction's getting rid of any swirls and scratches that are in the clear coat, and then that coating's going to just lock everything in, keep it protected. And Jesse's doing a great job. We're knocking this thing out. If you have anything that you'd like to see if we could coat it, swing by one of our shops. Happy to help.